Welcome to Pig Trail Harley-Davidson at Rogers, Arkansas. This video tutorial demonstrates how to import GPX files into your boombox navigation system for 2019 and newer models. First step is to turn on your motorcycle and wait for navigation system to load. After the system finishes loading, just tap the home button to get to your main screen. Then tap navigation to bring up the map. Now tap the search icon, the little magnifying glass at the top left of the screen to open the navigation menu. The screen is touch-enabled, so you can swipe left or right to see more options. Next, find the import option and tap the import button. Your USB connection port is located inside the media compartment in the right side of the fairing. Connect your USB drive to the USB port in the media compartment. The system will automatically scan for music files to play, which may trigger a warning message saying no playable media found. You can ignore this message. Click OK to proceed. Your motorcycle will display the name of the USB drive you inserted. Select the drive to continue. Your motorcycle will now display a list of rides available on the USB drive. Swipe up or down to browse the list, then select the ride you want to import. Tap Select All to choose the entire ride, then tap the Import button. Now confirm your selection. Your motorcycle will now display Import Complete. Tap OK to proceed. You can now repeat the process to import more rides, or tap the back button to return to the previous menu. Congratulations! You've successfully imported a ride. Now, let's see how to start navigation using the imported ride. From the navigation screen, select the search icon and tap the Rides button. Your motorcycle will display all imported rides. Select the ride you want to start, then tap Start Route. Your motorcycle will calculate the route. Once it's ready, the Go button will appear active. Tap it to begin your ride. Sometimes the system may try to route you back to a point you have already passed. In that case, you can skip the waypoint. While a ride is active, tap the Options menu. Hamburger icon in the top right corner to view available options, then select Skip Waypoint. That's how you use a GPX Ride Plan on 2019 and newer models. This tutorial is brought to you by your riding buddies at Pig Trail Harley-Davidson, Northwest Arkansas, Hog Chapter. Thank you for watching. Let's ride!